Hi guys, and welcome back to Golden Angelz. Thanks for joining us again. Today we've got a really exciting video planned for you. We are going to be using elastic bands to explode a pumpkin.
Or attempt.
Well, attempt. We've got 220 bands,
Yeah.
so hopefully that'll be enough. We'll see how it goes.
220?
Yeah. Pink and blue ones.
So we're going to get started now. The idea was actually to do this outside, but unfortunately the weather got the better of us. It is chucking it down. So we're inside, we've got some bin liners down. Hopefully there won't be too much mess, but we'll see how it goes. So one at a time, we're going to get going, girls.
More bands. That's pink and blue.
Spread out the brown.
So we do, we'll get them over, oops,
Oops.
Or they're pink.
and then
How
put
do
it
we?
down to the middle.
How do we?
Keep it in the middle.
I come before you. No, you come before me, Alex.
What?
I should know.
Right,
And then take it like that.
there we go.
Now the Mills is gone.
My door.
Yeah.
Let's hope it doesn't explode straight away.
It will.
Pretty sure it'll be strong enough to survive quite a few elastic bands.
Yep.
Oh yeah, well,
There you go. No, it's Daddy.
Oops.
And it's you two.
Now what you want?
You get some pink ones in there.
Okay, I'll put a pink one on.
Oh, it starts at one end and pull it round.
There you go.
One else.
So nothing much happening as
No.
yet.
Has Amelia
The
put on the
bands
second pink
do
one?
feel quite tight when you put them around, so
Yeah.
hopefully they will have an
Will
effect
work.
reasonably quickly.
I don't want it to explode by now,
No.
but hopefully it will explode. So go back.
So there we go. And
Come on, Al. Come on, Al. You start at one end and stretch.
I don't think she's got it right now.
Hmm.
I'm going to try to work once when it's level.
Like that, Al.
oh,
Oh,
so
Oh, you.
what did he do?
it just exploded on me.
Snap.
Amelia, it's not for me. Sorry. Dad, you know this, you won't pile clear.
No. It's lost track of that now, isn't it?
Just trying to get them all together so it causes
Yeah.
a pressure point.
Just pick from the middle now.
Yep. Oh, God. I'm sorry, I'll pour you again.
It's fine. This is brown. This is what it is.
No, you're doing it wrong now, Ed. From one end, stretch
go.
over.
Mm,
But not left finger,
I
like
don't know how to do it. Oh,
You do
that's
know
because
how to
it's
do
in the
it.
middle now, Mum. That's because it's in the middle. I think honestly it's in the middle.
So I'm not sure. It looks like there may be a slight change to the shape now of the
Cooking.
pumpkin, but well, I think so. I think from this angle, it certainly looks like it's just getting a little bit
the train.
thinner.
Thomas the Tank Engine.
To the next bit.
So what you do is put it over, but private, that's not
Daddy pig.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
You like Daddy Pig, don't you?
Then.
Got me a little.
Yes. I don't really watch it anymore because I'm 6 and I have lost the girl.
You have what?
Lost the girl.
You've lost a tooth. Well, then
Yes.
lost Peppa Pig and you've lost a tooth.
Anybody who's seen the short the other day will know that Amelia lost her first tooth.
They call her Lancashire.
If you haven't already watched it, please watch it.
Come on, Mills. Here, you'll go out.
My girl.
Look at the shape. Suppose a change of shape.
I think it just seems to be getting a bit thinner if you look from the top, but could be be a trick of the air.
Yeah.
No, it's still
There
hard.
must be quite a lot of pressure there. That all means to make them all together.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to do.
Yeah.
Not that easy. But.
This is how that hurts.
So we just paused there because we've got quite a few elastic bands on now. Nothing looking to happen as yet, but we just thought safety first with the kids being quite close. Just in case it does explode, we'll put some goggles on them. We didn't have any safety goggles, so we've gone with swimming goggles. But the idea is all behind safety at least. So we'll carry back on,
No, put
see
them
how
on
much
actually,
longer
yeah.
this takes.
I know how to do it now.
Trying to
I
happen.
use the F again.
So before we decided to do this, we did look it up how many bands it takes. It said on Google between 150 to 200, so we're hoping that we're going to have enough. We have lost a few elastic bands already.
Put it on your head.
Well,
Yeah.
Put it on Dad's head.
I would say we're probably about coming up on halfway now.
Yeah.
Maybe about 100 on, so
100.
hopefully we'll start to see some
This
movement
explosion
soon.
happen.
Yeah.
If this explodes, like the video.
Yeah.
Or subscribe.
Yeah. Subscribe to this channel if we
Or
explode.
follow. Or follow. Like not gonna happen.
Oh,
We're not gonna explode. Right, well, we're gonna die in a couple of years.
right. Think positive.
Oh, you're right, Tom.
Yes.
No.
Not exploding yet.
Nope.
It's really strong. Like maybe we can make pumpkin pie.
If I knew how to do that, maybe.
All you have to do is put in pumpkin and then a pie.
Yep. That's as easy as that.
Yes, because they're called pumpkin pie. Or you could just take
Yes,
the
as long as you have
inside
the
out,
child.
put it in a pie, done.
I don't think I've actually ate it.
No, not something we tend to eat over here in England. I think
No.
that's more an
American
American thing.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We both said it at the same time.
Okay.
It always
Put
looks
goggles
really
on.
good. It's just
No point
something
having them on
that's
top
not
of your
readily
head.
available, is it, over here?
I think it is getting slightly thinner. I think the pressure
Yeah.
is telling a little bit,
Yeah.
but it's
We might fill the whole
hard to
pumpkin up.
know for certain.
We might fill the whole pumpkin up.
Could do. Interested to know the result.
Maybe. Do you know what it's starting to remind me of?
What?
And this is one that any kids out there won't get, but any parents watching will. It reminds me of a space hopper. One of those, it was like a, for those who don't know, it was like a little bouncy rubber ball. And you used to put a plastic disc around it,
Oh,
and
right,
you'd
yeah,
stand
yeah.
and bounce on it.
Yeah.
Well,
That-
I
that
thought
was
it was
it.
a bouncy thing that you bounce
And
on.
they were this sort of shape with
Yeah.
the, once you got the thing
I thought it
round
was a
it.
bouncy thing you bounced on. It's
Yeah.
called a
It's
space
not a ball
hopper.
stick.
No, pogo sticks are the metal poles with
Oh.
springs at the bottom. Space hopper might be the wrong word. If anybody knows what they are called or remembers what they were called,
Yeah.
pop it in the comments. It'd be great to actually find out.
Yeah.
I think space hoppers were the balls you sat on,
I know
weren't
what you
they,
mean,
with
though, I don't know
the
what it's
handles.
called.
Yes,
I'm sure they were
that's
called.
what
I'm
I'm
sure they were
talking
also
about.
called space hoppers, but yeah, yeah, you know what they are, but you won't see what I'm talking about, will you, Ellie?
No.
Mm.
It was like a, it was almost like a space hopper meets a skateboard.
Yeah.
It was quite weird.
They're quite lethal.
Yeah. Especially like as you got older,
What's
You couldn't-
happening to
you couldn't
the
use them because the-
infected?
the ring just used to pop off, so you jump off on it, and the ring had hit the ground and the ball had just bounced away.
Stop it.
With a shell suit on.
This is a quiet.
Or pop the pants.
Oops,
Any kids watching this now are just going, what are they talking about? Those two old people.
Daddy's
I can feel like it's doing something. We just feel it.
Well, we've got to hope so, because I'd say we're now about 3/4 of the way into the elastic bands, so we've got to Hope it goes soon. I think it is definitely, there is definitely a curve there now.
Yeah.
Squeeze
I've got
it
some
in.
liquid.
Oh,
Got some liquid on my hand then.
Where?
It's around there when I'm putting it on.
yeah, I think it is starting to take effect now.
We're winning.
Yeah, maybe I'll actually do this one.
We might be able to drive now.
The one
Yeah.
makes me glad we didn't do like a giant watermelon or something.
Yeah.
Because obviously watermelons are hollow like pumpkin is.
Yeah.
So I'm hoping
Also,
that'll.
this is for Halloween.
Oh, it is definitely.
Yeah,
There is
yeah.
definitely a
Yeah,
change in
let's
shape on that now.
Pumpkin juice on my hand then.
Getting a bit excited and a bit nervous
Yeah.
as we go along.
Looks like an eggplant.
Starting to take that sort of shape, isn't it? One else.
It's like getting a little bit thin. I got so.
Go and get it right in the middle. And keep that
I
pressure
feel
up.
like it's gonna explode.
Well, that's what we're hoping for. We're hoping for something that goes
You know what's going to happen?
really
I think
well.
they'll just fall off. I'm not.
You're getting a bit worried now, Amelia.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're taking a back seat a bit.
Maybe just try and shove them down a little bit.
Back up a bit. You can get a good view of it.
I wanna watch to see what happens. Yeah.
Got a few more.
They're going to struggle. So this is the science bit, which I'm by no means a scientist, but if you put all the pressure in one place, then it is more effective than if you have multiple bands all over the place,
Yeah. That's
spreading the pressure out.
I'm just sure. And you have a pumpkin. Let's do this. Woo!
in that way.
Sure, we've got to be close now. It really does feel like it's getting.
It's getting there, isn't it?
There's a real curve in the middle now.
And it's squeezing.
It is. You can visibly see it now.
Yeah, you can. And I've
Starting
worked like
to bend in.
tricking the light or something before, but I'm seeing
Can I turn off the light?
No.
Oh.
Bring it forward.
Oh! Can you hear that? It stopped, but did you hear it then?
Like hissing
Yeah,
sound.
there was a definite bit of a whistle and a hiss.
This is definitely
So trying not to lean over too much now, because
Yeah.
the last thing we want is any pumpkin-related facial injuries.
I'm going to stay back to you right now.
Yeah, maybe
Amelia's
back a bit
moved out of shot. Ali, do you want to?
Yeah.
We'll just move back a bit. Oh. Can't hear any more noise for now.
It's not.
Whether that was all the sound we'll get out of it
Oh,
before.
definite pumpkin juice on my hand here though. No.
Oh yeah, you can see
Yeah,
the bands are getting wet.
yeah.
So
Something's happening.
Hopefully it's going to explode.
You'll be the one. Put the band on where it explodes.
oh, it is so close. I'm sure.
Oh God! No, rubber band. False alarm.
Oh wow. And so there you go.
Explode.
Absolutely clean cut down the middle, and luckily still about 40 or 50 bands left, so it would appear Google was right.
Yeah.
Wow. So there you have it. That was exactly what we were hoping for. An absolutely brilliant explosion from the pumpkin.
It knocks the camera.
It did.
It did. We absolutely loved making that video. We've had such a good time. We hope you've all enjoyed it too. And please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get told when we've got a new video out.
Also, you're supposed to subscribe anyway because we won the challenge against you.
Yes.
Against Google.
Yeah.
Yeah, Google was right, wasn't it, on the amount of bands roughly?
Roughly.
So
Yeah.
thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Let's go.